Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of you might encounter. So, picture this. You have an MP4 file with a subtitle track, but when you extract it using MP4 box, you end up with a .tx3g file that your subtitle editors just won't play nice with. Frustrating, right? Well, fret not, because we've got a solution for you. Now, let's talk solution. The Jeep MP4 box maintainer shared a handy tip to easily convert that pesky .tx3g file into a more usable format. By using the command gpack imyfile.mp4 o subtitles.vtt, you can effortlessly transform your subtitle track into a VTT file. No more compatibility issues, no more headaches, just smooth sailing from here on out. Isn't technology grand? To wrap it all up, we've covered how you can tackle the problem of dealing with a stubborn subtitle track in an MP4 file. With a simple command, gpack imyfile.mp4 o subtitles.vtt, you can bid adieu to the woes of incompatible subtitle formats. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a witty comment goes a long way.